Welcome to this detailed tutorial on embedding a PowerPoint presentation into your WordPress website, a process that can be completed in just a few minutes. In this guide, you will learn each step in a clear and concise manner, allowing you to integrate your presentation seamlessly into your site without any complications. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting WordPress. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking this login option initiates the process of verifying your account, which is essential for accessing the editing tools that will allow you to modify your website content. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several methods of signing in. At this point, you should choose the option that says Continue with Google. Doing so will prompt you to select the appropriate Google account associated with your WordPress profile. This method of signing in is both secure and efficient, saving you time and streamlining your access to your site's editing features. Once you have successfully logged in, look over to the Quick Links section on your WordPress dashboard. In this section, you will see a link labeled Edit Site. Clicking this link is a critical step because it takes you directly to the site editor where all modifications, including embedding media files, are performed. This interface is designed with simplicity in mind, ensuring that all of your editing tools are readily accessible. Now that you are in the site editor, focus on the upper right corner of the editing interface where you will notice an icon shaped like a plus sign. This plus icon is a gateway to adding new elements to your website. Click the icon to bring up the Options menu, which is designed for users who wish to add various types of content to their pages. This user-friendly interface makes it simple to expand and customize your site. After clicking the plus icon, a search field appears. In this field, you need to type File. Typing the term File filters the available options and lets you quickly locate the file block required for uploading documents and presentations. Being precise here is important since the search functionality is key to navigating the editor efficiently. Once you have typed File, the correct option should appear clearly on the screen. Next, click on the File option that has appeared after your search. This action opens the File Upload dialog where you can now proceed with uploading your PowerPoint presentation. At this stage, ensure that your presentation file is ready and properly formatted, as it is important that the upload process is smooth and error-free. After selecting your file for upload, the system will process your file and begin integrating it into your site. Once the upload is complete, take a moment to save your work. Saving is an important final step that ensures all your changes are securely stored and that the presentation will display correctly on your website. With your PowerPoint presentation successfully embedded, your website is now enriched with visual content that can enhance user engagement and provide valuable information to your audience. Thank you for following this tutorial. This step-by-step explanation has guided you through each part of the process, allowing you to add a presentation to your site quickly and efficiently, all within a few minutes. Enjoy the enhanced functionality of your WordPress website and the professional presentation of your embedded content.